Hey guys, welcome to the first challenge video in the beginner scripting series. So basically, again, these videos are here to help you apply your knowledge and just, cover the topics we previously did. So we're basically just going to be covering printing and variables in this video. So the first challenge I have for you is to make it so that the crown dev shows up in the output when you run the game. So I'll give you a second to try that. You can also just pause the video. And so the solution is obviously in a script. All you do is say a print statement with parentheses, and then make sure you put quotation marks because there's letters in the crown dev. So it has to be a string, and then you just write the crown dev. Pretty simple. Everybody should get these right, but I'm just going to make sure that you understand this knowledge. So the next thing I want you to do is make a variable that's equal to a number, and then print that variable out. So I set a variable to 8, and I printed it out, so it should print the value 8. So go ahead and try it, and yeah. So the solution to this is basically I created the variable. I said local number equals to 8, and then I printed out number, which is the variable, and it should print out 8 because that's the value that the variable is set to. So for the final challenge of this video, I just want you to make another variable that's set to a number, and I want you to print the sum of both of those variables. So I made a variable a second variable that's set to 5, and I printed out the result of both of my variables. So 8 plus 5 should equal 13, so it printed 13. So go ahead and try this, and yeah. Okay, so here's the solution. I created a second variable, and then I just said this variable plus that variable in the print statement, and it should print the sum of these two values. So we're just using some basic math here. But yeah, if you didn't get all these right, then maybe you should ask some questions in the Discord. But other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.